I'm Renae from the Arthur Rylah Institute. Today I'm going to be talking about rescuing freshwater catfish through a conservation translocation. As biodiversity continues to decline, there is an increasing need to consider more direct conservation interventions. One tool to help protect and recover species is conservation translocations. This involves moving live organisms from one location to another for conservation benefit. In Victoria, freshwater catfish is a threatened species. It's endemic to the northern catchments that form part of the Murray-Darling Basin. Catfish were once abundant in the Ovens River catchment, but they have long disappeared. ARI were contacted by Wangaratta Sustainability Network, who are keen to reintroduce catfish into the Mullinmur Billabong, which adjoins the Ovens River. At the same time, we were contacted by Barham Landcare and local recreational fishers about rescuing catfish from Barham Lake in New South Wales, which was drying up. After listening to these communities, forming strong partnerships, including with multiple agencies, we took action to determine whether we could rescue and translocate freshwater catfish from Barham Lake to Mullinmur Billabong. Now, translocation might sound like a straightforward process, but there's many things to consider. First, we decided whether translocation was an acceptable option. How confident were we that catfish can be translocated, and what were the benefits? Is there suitable habitat for catfish in Mullinmur Billabong? What other species are present? Are there any risks? Are the genetics of the catfish appropriate? Next, we planned the translocation. We gained permits and approvals from state and Commonwealth agencies. We planned when and how to collect, transport and release the catfish. We sourced resources, equipment and funding. The translocation was undertaken in December 2019. ARI staff collected 71 catfish of various sizes ranging from juveniles to adults. The Victorian Fisheries Authority shuttled the 60 catfish to Wangaratta and remaining 11 were relocated to a wetland in New South Wales. And the community and project partners were on site to assist throughout the process. Translocations require long-term commitment and investment. Post-release monitoring and post-release management are important steps to determine whether the translocation has been successful and whether additional management actions are needed. It helps answer questions like, did the fish survive? Are they breeding? Have they dispersed? Are supplementary transactions required to improve the genetics and build the resilience of the new population? So to sum up, catfish are struggling in Victoria. Conservation translocations are one tool that may help their recovery and should be part of a broader strategic management approach for the species. However, we need to properly invest in monitoring and further management to evaluate the success of these programs and improve conservation outcomes. Thank you.